Hello dear students, welcome to Karna Maths Academy. Today in this video we are going to discuss entrance exam solution set 4. Question number 1. If the fourth term and first term of an AP are 9 and 21 respectively, find the common difference. If the fourth term and first term of an AP are 9 and 21 respectively, find the common difference. We are given A, B, C, D, 4 options and we have to choose the right option. So let's go to the solution of question number 1. Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss 20 important questions which are most probable for entrance exam. So please do not skip the video and watch till the end of this video. And if you have not subscribed our channel Karna Maths Academy, please subscribe it and share it to friends so that you'll get daily new updates. And this channel is mainly focused on mathematics class, the solution of class 11 and 12 mathematics. So please, if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe it. Let's go to question number 1, solution. Question number 1. In question number 1, we are given the first term and the fourth term of an arithmetic sequence, and we have to find the common difference. We know the general term, or we can say nth term of arithmetic sequence is given by the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we can use the formula of general term to find out any term of the series. To find the fourth term of the series, we can directly use the formula of T4 is equal to a plus 3d. That means fourth term is equal to a plus 3d, or we can use the formula of general term of arithmetic sequence. If we choose value of n is equal to 4, then we get 4 minus 1, that means 3. We get T4 is equal to a plus 3d. The general term help us to find any term of the series, or we can say any term of the given sequence. T4 is equal to a plus 3d. The value of T4 is given 9, that means fourth term is given 9. The value of A, that means first term is given 21 plus 3d. We have to find the value of common difference. So we have to solve for D. To get the value of D, we have to solve this equation for D. 9 minus 21. Transposing 21 from right hand side to the left hand side. Shifting 21 to the left hand side, we get 9 minus 21 is equal to 3d. 9 minus 21 is equal to minus 12 is equal to 3d. 3 4s are 12. Therefore, d is equal to minus 4. When we divide minus 12 by 3, we get the value of d equals to 4, which is the common difference. And according to our question, the common difference is equal to minus 4, which is the given option 1a, minus 4. Which is the given option minus 4, 1a. So we have to choose which is the right option. So we have to circle 1a, minus 4. Let's go to question number 2. Question number 2. P2, 1 and Q8, 1. P2, 1 and Q8, 1 are two of the vertices of a rectangle. Which of the following cannot be the another of the vertices? We are given two vertices P and Q, and we have determined which of the vertices cannot be, which of the given vertices cannot be the vertices of a rectangle. We are given 4 options A, B, C, D, and we have to choose the right option. So let's go to the solution of question number 2. Solution of question number 2. P2, 1 and 8, 1. P2, 1 and Q8, 1. P2, 1 and Q8, 1 are given two vertices of a rectangle, and we are given we have to determine the other two vertices of the given rectangle. Let us suppose the other two vertices of the given rectangle are R and S. The two vertices P and Q have y coordinate 1. Y coordinates, they have got the same. So P and Q, they are the points, the side PQ, the side joining the 2 points P and Q, they are parallel to x-axis because y coordinate are the same. The 2 points P and Q, they are at equal distance from the x-axis. The coordinates of 2 points, so the coordinates of 2 points R and S, they must be equal to 2 comma plus minus y and 8 comma plus minus y, because x coordinates should be the same and y coordinates should be 2 comma plus minus y and 8 comma plus minus y. Either the other 2 points will be upside of the point P or downside of the point Q, or we can say above the point P or below the point P. Similarly, the next point, the next vertex of the rectangle should be either offside, or we can say above the point Q or below the point Q. So we can suppose the coordinate S, we can suppose as 2 comma plus minus y, and the coordinates of R we can suppose as 8 comma plus minus y. Let's find out the two coordinates R and S. The remaining vertices of a rectangle must be 2 comma plus minus y and 8 comma plus minus y. Now comparing the given points, 2 comma 8, 8 comma 2, 2 comma minus 8 and minus 2 comma 8. We are given 4 options and we have determined which of the vertices are the vertices of given rectangle. So we'll compare the given vertices with 2 comma plus minus y and 8 comma plus minus y. The vertices which satisfy the condition 2 comma plus minus y and 8 comma plus minus y will be the vertices, will be the remaining 2 vertices of a rectangle. The first given vertex is 2 comma 8. So 2 comma 8 we can compare with 2 comma plus minus y, because x coordinate must be the same and the y coordinate must be plus minus y. So x coordinate are the same. So 2 comma 8 we can compare with 2 comma plus y. That means 2 comma 8 should be the remaining vertex of the rectangle. 8 comma 2 we can compare with 8 plus minus y, because x coordinate are the same and y coordinate we can take as 2 plus 2. So 8 comma 2 satisfies the condition 8 comma plus minus y. So 8 comma 2 will be the vertex joining the vertex Q, or we can say will be the vertex just above the point Q. 2 comma minus 8. 2 comma minus 8 we can compare with 2 comma plus minus y. So 2 comma minus 8 will be the vertex just below the vertex P, because 2 comma minus 8 satisfies the condition 2 comma plus minus y, 2 comma minus y, that means 2 comma minus 8. Minus 2 comma 8. Minus 2 comma 8 we cannot compare with 2 comma plus minus y or 8 comma plus minus y, because x coordinate must be the same. Then only the given points can be the remaining vertices of rectangle. So minus 2 comma 8 we cannot compare with 2 comma plus minus y, because 2 is positive and here the x coordinate 2 is negative. So minus 2 comma 8 cannot be any vertices of the given rectangle. Therefore 2 comma 8, which can be compared with 2 comma plus minus y, the value of y is plus minus 8. 2 comma minus 8, the given vertex 2 comma minus 8 also we can compare with 2 comma plus minus y, where y is minus 8, so y is equal to plus minus 8. The y coordinate will be plus minus 8. 8 comma 2 we can compare with 8 comma plus minus y. Therefore y is equal to plus minus 2. Minus 2 comma 8. Minus 2 comma 8 we can compare with 2 comma plus minus y or 8 comma plus minus y. Therefore, minus 2 comma 8 cannot be any vertex of the given rectangle. Minus 2 comma 8 cannot be any remaining two vertices of the rectangle. X coordinate must be the same. X coordinate should be either 2 or 8. Then only the given vertices can be the other two vertices of rectangle. So the vertex minus 2 comma 8. So the vertex minus 2 comma 8 is not any vertex of the given rectangle, which is the given option 2D. That means minus 2 comma 8. The vertex minus 2 comma 8 cannot be any remaining two vertices of the rectangle. Minus 2 comma 8 cannot be any remaining two vertices of the rectangle. So according to the question, if P2 comma 1 and Q8 comma 1 are two of the vertices of rectangle, then the vertex minus 2 comma 8 cannot be another vertex of the vertices of the rectangle. Therefore 2D is the right option. So we have to circle 2D, which is the right option. Let's go to question number 3. Question number 3. Hari has got 3 children. What is the probability of his children not being of the same sex? Question number 3. Hari has got 3 children. What is the probability of his children not having of the same sex? Hari has got 3 children. What is the probability of his children not having the same sex? So we are given A, B, C, D, 4 options, and we have to choose the right option. So let's go to the solution of question number 3. Solution of question number 3. Total children are given 3. Hari has got 3 children. We have to find the probability of being all 3 children of the same sex. We have to find the probability of being all 3 children of the same sex. That means we have to find the probability of all the 3 children are boys, or we can say all the 3 children are son, or we have to find the probability of all the 3 children of being daughter, or we can say girls. The probability of being all the 3 children of the same sex means Hari should have all the 3 children boys, or he should have all the 3 children girls. That means there are 2 possibilities of being all the 3 children of the same sex. Either all the 3 children should be boys, that means sons, or all the 3 children should be girls, that means daughter. Then only Hari will have 3 children of the same sex. So according to the question, we have to find the probability of all the 3 children boys or all the 3 children girls. According to the formula of total probability, the probability of all the 3 children's boys or all the 3 children's girls is equal to probability of all the 3 children's boys plus probability of all the 3 children girls. So we have to take the sum of the probability of being all the 3 children boys and the probability of being all the 3 children girls. So we have to take the sum. Then we'll get the probability of being all the 3 children of the same sex. Now probability of all the 3 children boys. The probability of getting all the 3 children boys we can write as probability of boy in the first birth into probability of boy in the second birth into probability of boy in the third birth. We know probability of getting boy or girl in any number of birth is equal to 1 by 2. Because we know that if a mother gives birth of a children, then the children can be either boy or girl. That means probability of giving the birth of boy or girl is always equal to 1 by 2. So probability of giving the birth of first boy is 1 by 2. The probability of giving birth of boy in the second birth is equal to 1 by 2. Point of giving the probability of boy in the third birth is equal to 1 by 2. That means the probability of boy or girl in any number of birth is always 1 by 2. So probability of boy in the first birth is 1 by 2, probability of boy in the second birth is 1 by 2, probability of boy in the third birth is 1 by 2. So probability of all the three children boys is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Similarly, the probability of all the three children girls in the first birth, second birth and third birth are equal to 1 by 2. So probability of being all the three children girls we can write as 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So using the formula of probability of independent events. To find the probability of independent events, we have to multiply the probability of each event. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8 plus 1 into 1 into 1, 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, we can write 2 by 8. And 2 by 8 means 1 by 4. So probability of all the three children being of the same sex is equal to 1 by 4. But we have to find the probability of each children not being of the same sex. We have to find the probability of each children not being of the same sex. The probability of three children not being of the same sex we can denote by complement of probability of being all the three children of the same sex, which is equal to total probability. Total probability is always 1. Total probability minus probability of being all the three children of the same sex is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 4 minus 4 1s are 4, 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. That means 3 by 4 is the probability of not being three children of the same sex, which is the given option 3B, 3 by 4. 3B is the right option. That means 3 by 4 is the probability of three children not being of the same sex. If Hari has got three children, then the probability of three children not being of the same sex is equal to 3 by 4. Now let's go to question number 4. Question number 4. The mark price of an article is Rs 1500. The marked price of an article is Rs 1500. What is its selling price with 10% VAT? We are given A, B, C, D 4 options and we have to choose the right option. So let's go to the solution of question number 4. In question number 4, the mark price of an article is given Rs 1500. The rate of VAT is 10%, that means VAT percent is 10%, and we have to find the selling price with 10% VAT. We know the selling price with 10% VAT, that means SP with VAT is equal to SP plus VAT percent of SP. When VAT percent is given, then SP with VAT we can write as SP plus VAT percent of SP. SP is equal to 1500. The mark price of an article is given 1500. That means you can sell an article for rupees 1500. And we have to find the selling price including 10% VAT. So SP with VAT is equal to SP plus VAT percent of SP. The value of SP we can take as 1500. When discount is not given, then mark price and selling price are same. So SP, the value of SP we can replace by the value of mark price, which is 1500 plus VAT percent. VAT percent is 10%. That means 10 by 100 into the value of SP is equal to 1500. So 0 cancel, 0 cancel, then 150. That means the VAT amount is 150. If rate of VAT is 10%, then the VAT amount of 1500 will be equal to 150. Now 1500 plus 150 is equal to 1650, which is the given option 4C, rupees 1650. That means SP with VAT is equal to rupees 1650, which is the given option 4C. Which is the given option 4C. That means rupees 1650 is the selling price with 10% VAT. So we have to circle 4C, which is the right option 1650. Let's go to question number 5. Question number 5. It is from geometry. Find the distance between two parallel chords. Find the distance between two parallel chords of length 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter lying on the same side of the center of the circle with radius 10 centimeter. We have to find the distance between two parallel curves whose length are given 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter, and they are to the same side of the center of the circle. And if the radius of the circle is 10 centimeter, then we have to find the distance between the given two parallel curves. We are given A, B, C, D, 4 options, and we have to choose the right option. So let's go to solution of question number 5. Solution question number 5. In question number 5, we are given two chords A, B, and C, D. The length of the first chord is given equal to 16 centimeter, and the length of the second chord is given 12 centimeter. The two chords A, B, and C, D, they are parallel. The radius of the circle is given 10 centimeter. The radius of the circle is given 10 centimeter. In the figure, OA and OC are the radii of the circle with center O. And we have to find the distance. We have to find the distance between two curves. So we have to take construction. We have draw OM perpendicular to AB. OM is the distance of chord AB from the center. Again, we have to draw ON perpendicular to CD, the distance of the second chord from the center. The two chords AB and CD are parallel, and they lie to the same side of the center of the circle. Now to find the distance between the two chords, the distance between two chords is MN. MN is the distance between two chords. To find the distance between the two chords AB and CD, at first we will find the distance of the first chord from the center. Then we find the distance of the second chord from the center. That means if we know the distance of the first chord OM and the distance of the second chord ON, then the difference between two distance ON minus OM will be equal to MN, which is the distance between two given chords. So let's find OM and ON. Now OM is equal to find OM, we'll take triangle AOM. OAM is a right angle triangle. We know the radius OA is 10 centimeter, which is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. OAM. The length of chord AB is given 16 centimeter. So AM will be equal to half of AB. That means AM will be equal to 8 centimeter. AM is equal to half of AB, because perpendicular drawn from the center bisect the chord. We know perpendicular drawn from the center bisects the chord. So if AB is 16 centimeter, then AM will be equal to half of the length of chord AB. So AM we can write as half of AB. AM we can write as half of AB. That means half of AB means 16. 2 8 is 16. So OM is equal to 8 cent. AM is equal to 8 centimeter. Similarly, the perpendicular drawn from the center to the second chord bisects the chord. That means ON bisects the chord CD. So CN will be equal to half of CD. CN we can take as half of CD, which is equal to half into the length of CD is 12. So 1 by 2 into 12 we get 6 centimeter. Therefore, OM is equal to, now we can easily find OM. OM is perpendicular. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, we know the formula P is root H square minus B square. That means OA square minus AM square. OA square minus AM square. The value of OA is 10. The value of OA, that means radius is 10, minus the value of AM. The value of AM is 8 centimeter. So 10 square minus 8 square. 10 is 100, 8 is 64. 100 minus 64 is 36, and 36 is the square root of 36 is 6. So OM is equal to, that means the distance of first chord from the center is equal to 6 centimeter. Similarly, we can find the distance of the second chord from the center. That means we can find ON by using the Pythagoras theorem, or by using the formula Pythagoras. In the right angle triangle OCN, we have to find ON. That means we have to find a perpendicular. So using the formula of perpendicular by the Pythagoras theorem, we know P is equal to, perpendicular is equal to root H square minus B square. H means hypotenuse, which is the radius of circle, OC square, minus base means CM square. So using the formula perpendicular, P is equal to root H square minus B square. The value of OA is 10. The value of OA is 10. That means radius of the circle is 10. And CM, the length of CM is 6 centimeter. That means 6 square. 10 times 100, 6 is 36. 100 minus 36, we get 64. The square root of 64 is 8. So we are able to find OM and OM. That means distance of the first chord from the center and the distance of the second chord from the center. Now we can easily determine the distance between two curves. The distance between two parallel curves is the difference between the perpendicular distance of the first chord from the center and the perpendicular distance of the second chord from the center. That means mn is equal to on minus om. Mn is equal to on minus om. On is 8 centimeter and om is 6 centimeter. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 centimeter. That means the distance between given two parallel chords is equal to centimeter, which is the given option 5b. Which is the given option 5b, 2 centimeter. That means the distance between two parallel chords of length 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter lying on the same side of the center of the circle with radius 10 centimeter is equal to centimeter. So 5b is the right option. So we have to circle answer 5b, which is equal to centimeter. Next, let us go to question number 6. Question number 6. The dot is also called positional average. This is related to statistics. We have to fill up the blank with the right options. We are given ABC for right options. The dot is also called positional average. So this is a very simple question. Mean, median, mode and range. We are given mean, median, mode and range. We are given 4 methods of finding the average of the given data. We know that median is known as the positional average of the data. 6 number B is the right option. According to the question, 6 number B is the right option. That means median is also called positional average. So we have to circle answer number 6B, which is the right option. So let's go to question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. If the angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 1:2:3, then the largest angle is, we are given ABCD for answer. If the angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 1:2:3, then the largest angle is 50, 30, 120, 150. So we are given 4 options and we have to choose the right option. So let's go to the solution of question number 7. Question number 7. Solution of question number 7. The angles of a triangle are given in the ratio of 1:2:3. A triangle is given. The 3 angles of a triangle are given in the ratio of 1:2:3. And we have to find the largest angle. So let's suppose 1x, 2x and 3x. If the numbers are given in terms of ratio, then the numbers in the actual form we can suppose in terms of the multiple of a certain variable. That means 1:2:3. The 3 numbers given in the ratio, the 3 angles given in the ratio we can suppose as 1x, 2x and 3x as the 3 angles of the given triangle. So let's suppose 1x, that means x, 2x and 3x be the 3 angles of a triangle. We know that the sum of 3 angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means they form a straight angle. The first angle is x, the second angle is 2x and third angle is 3x. So x plus 2x plus 3x, x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6x is equal to 180. Therefore x is equal to 180 divided by 6. X is equal to 30 degree. That means the value of x is 30 degree. Or we can say the common multiple of the 3 given angles is equal to 30 degree. Now putting the value of x in the first angle, 1x is equal to 30. Putting the value of x in the second angle, 30 into 2, that means 60 degree. And the third angle, 3x, that means x into 30, 90 degree. According to the question, the largest angle is equal to 90 degree. That means if the 3 angles are given in the ratio of 1:2:3, then the largest angle must be equal to 90 degree, which is the given option 7A, 90 degree. Which is the given option 7A, 90 degree. That means if the angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 1:3, then the largest angle is 90 degree. So 1A is the right option. So we have to choose 1A and circle it. Let's go to next question. Question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. The equation x square plus y square minus 25 is equal to 0 represents, we are given A, B, C, D 4 options: circle, straight line, parabola, curved line. The equation x square plus y square minus 25 is equal to 0 represents, we are given 4 options A, B, C, D, and we have to choose the right option. So let's go to solution of question number 8. Solution of question number 8. Question number 8. In question number 8, we are given x square plus y square minus 25 is equal to 0. An equation of second degree is given, and we have determined whether it represents a circle or a curve or a parabola or a straight line. We have to determine that the equation x square plus y square minus 25 is 0 represents a circle or a straight line or a parabola or a curved line. The given equation x square plus y square minus 25 is equal to 0. The given equation x square plus y square minus 25 is equal to 0. We can easily change in the form of x square plus y square is equal to a square, which represents equation of a circle in the standard form. So changing the given equation in the form of x square plus y square is equal to a square. So minus 25 shifting to the right hand side, we get x square plus y square is equal to 25, which we can compare with x square plus y square is equal to a square, or we can say x square plus y square 25 is in the form of x square plus y square is equal to a square, which is the equation of circle in the standard form. So we can say x square plus y square minus 25, the given equation of second degree, represents equation of circle, which is the given option 8A. Which is the given option 8A. That means the equation x square plus y square minus 25 is equal to 0 represents a circle. So we have to tick the answer of question number 8A, which is the right option. Let's go to question number 9. Question number 9. If a by 9 is equal to 10 by 2a, what is the value of a square? If a by 9 is equal to 10 by 2a, what is the value of a square? We are given a, b, c, d 4 options, and we have to choose the right option. So let's go to the solution of question number 9. Solution of question number 9. A by 9 is equal to 10 by 2a. We are given that a by 9 is equal to 10 by 2a, and we have to determine the value of a square. We have to find out the value of a square. So this is a very simple question. A by 9 is equal to 10 by 2a is given to us. Let's cross multiply. A into 2a is equal to a square equals to 10 into 9 is equal to 90. Therefore, a square is equal to 90 divided by 2, which is equal to 45. Therefore, the value of a square is equal to 45, which is the given option 90. Which is the given option 9D, 45. The value of a square is equal to 45. So D is the right option. So we have to circle D, which is the right option. Question number 10. Question number 10. If the area of a triangular prism is 18 cm square, if the area of a triangular prism is 18 square centimeter and its height is 10 centimeter, find out its value. Find out its volume. We are given A, B, C, D 4 options, and we have to choose the right option. We are given the area of a triangular prism and height, and we have determined the volume. So let's go to the solution of question number 10. Solution of question number 10. The base area of a triangular prism is given 18 square centimeter. The height of triangular prism is given 10 centimeter, and we have to determine the volume of the triangular prism. We know the volume of triangular prism is base area into height. Base area into height gives the volume of triangular prism. Using the formula, volume of triangular prism is equal to base area into height. The base area is given 18 and the height is given 10. So 18 into 10 we get 18 tens are 180. Therefore the volume of given triangular prism is equal to 180 cubic centimeter, which is the given option 10A, 180 cubic centimeter. Which is the given option 10A 180 cubic centimeter. 10A is the right option. So we have to circle 10A. Now let's go to question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11 is related to sets. We are given two sets A and B. If A is equal to the set of elements of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B is the set of the elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what is A minus B? That means we have to determine the difference between the given two sets. A, B, C, D are the four given options and we have to choose the right option. So let's go to the solution of question number 11. Question number 11. Solution of question number 11. We are given two sets A and B and we have to find the difference of the given two sets A and B. That means A minus B. A minus B is equal to set A minus set B. Now set A is the set of the elements of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and set B is the set of the elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have to find the difference between two sets. The difference between the two sets is the set of elements of the first set which are not the elements of the second set. That means A minus B is the set of the elements of the set A which are not the elements of the set B. So we have to remove all the elements of the set B from the set A. Then the remaining elements of the set A will be equal to the set A minus B. That means will be equal to the difference between two sets. We have to remove the common elements. The common elements are 1, 3 and 5. There are three common elements between the two sets A and B. That means we have to delete 1, 3, 5. We have to remove 1, 3, 5 from the set A. Then the remaining elements, after removing the elements 1, 3, 5, which are the common elements between the two sets, the remaining elements are 7 and 9. That means A minus B is equal to 7, 9, which is the given option 11D, 7, 9. Which is the given option 11D, 7, 9. 11D is the right option, so we have to circle D, which is the right option. Let's go to question number 12. Question number 12. In question number 12, we have Dr. Kumar Paudel went to bank with rupees 75,000 to buy American dollars. Then he brings US dollar. If selling rate is equal to 76 USD, United States dollar. That means if 76 rupees is equal to 1 USD, then we have to convert. We have to find the amount of rupees 75,000. We are given A, B, C, D 4 options and we have to find the right option. So let's go to the solution of question number 12. Solution of question number 12. We are given the selling rate of USD, that means United States dollar. Rupees 76 is given equal to $1. That means selling rate of dollar is given. Rupees 76 is equal to $1. And we have to convert solution question number 12. The selling rate of dollar is given 76. That means $1 is equal to rupees 76. And we have to find the value of rupees 75,000. We have to convert rupees 75,000 into dollar. So this is the problem related to chain rule. Rupees 76 is given equal to $1. Let's suppose X dollar. Rupees is followed by dollar. So we must suppose here dollar. Then only the given quantities will be in the form of chain. So we suppose X dollar is equal to rupees 75,000 because we have to convert 75,000 into dollar. So we can suppose X dollar is equal to rupees 75,000. Now we can apply the method of chain rule. According to chain rule, the product of LHS is equal to product of RHS. That means 76 into X, we can write 1 into 75,000. The product of LHS is equal to product of RHS. We have to multiply the quantity of LHS, which will be equal to the product of the quantity of RHS. So multiplying LHS and RHS, Then 76x is equal to 75,000. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 75,000 divided by 76, which is equal to 986.8. Which is the value of x? X means $986.8. So putting the value of x, that means the value of x is $986.8. $986.8 is equal to rupees 75,000. So the value of rupees 75,000 is equal to 986.8 USD, which is the given option 12D. Which is the given option 12D, 986.8. So D is the right option, so we have to circle 12D. Now let's go to question number 13. Question number 13. If 0 is less than A is less than B is less than 1. If 0 is less than A is less than B is less than 1, which of the following are true? We are given which of the following are true. A minus B is a negative, 1 by AB is positive, 1 by B minus 1 by A is positive. If 0 is less than A is less than B is less than 1, which of the following are true? A minus B is negative, 1 by AB is positive, 1 by B minus 1 by A is positive. We are given 4 options, A, B, C, D, and we have to choose the right option. So let's go to the solution of question number 13. Solution of question number 13. 0 is less than A is less than B is less than 1. Therefore, we can write A greater than 0. 0 is less than A. That means A we can write greater than 0. And 0 is less than B. That means we can write B greater than 0. According to the question, A and B both are positive integers. Because A is greater than 0 and B is also greater than 0. That means the two numbers A and B are positive integers. Now we have determined the value of A minus B. A is positive and B is also positive. So difference between two positive numbers, we have to determine the value of A minus B, whether the value of A minus B is positive or negative. It is given that A is less than B. A is less than B. We are given that A is less than B, which is given to us. So A minus B, if we shift B to the left hand side, then we get A minus B less than 0. A minus B less than 0. That means the value of A minus B is negative. So according to the question, A minus B is negative. So it is true. According to the question, we have to determine whether A minus B is negative or not. So A minus B is negative. We found that the value of A minus B is less than 0. So we can say that A minus B is negative. So the given statement, under the given statement, is true. Next, we have to determine 1 by AB is positive. Whether 1 by AB is positive. Let's go to the solution. We have to determine 1 by AB is positive. We know that both the given numbers are greater than 0. Both the two given numbers A and B are greater than 0. That means A is positive and B is also a positive integer. We know that both A and B are positive. A is positive and B is positive. So if we take the product of two positive numbers, then the product is again a positive number. 1 divided by positive. That means plus plus we get plus. So the value of 1 by AB is positive, which is true. According to the question, under the given condition, the value of 1 by AB is positive, which is true. Next, we have determined 1 by B minus 1 by A is positive or not. 1 by B minus 1 by A is true or not. So let's go to find the value of 1 by B minus 1 by A. We have to determine the value of 1 by B minus 1 by A is positive or not. That means 1 by B minus 1 by A positive. The statement 1 by B minus 1 by A positive is true or not. Let's take the LCM of A and B. The LCM of A and B is AB. Now cross multiply A into 1A minus B into 1B. A minus B by AB. We know that A is less than B. So the difference will be negative. If we take difference between a smaller number and a greater number, then the difference will be negative. A and B are both positive numbers. The product of positive numbers is again positive number. Now when a negative number is divided by a positive number, then plus minus minus. That means the quotient we get negative. Therefore the value of 1 by b minus 1 by a is negative. The statement 1 by b minus 1 by a positive is not true, because the value of 1 by b minus 1 by a we have got negative, which is false. The given statement 1 by b minus 1 by a is positive is false, because we have found the value of 1 by b minus 1 by a negative. So the statement 3 under the given condition is false statement. So according to the question, we found that the first statement a minus b is negative. We found that the statement a minus b is negative is a true statement. That means first statement is true. The second statement 1 by ab is positive. The second statement 1 by ab is positive. Also we found that the statement is true. And the third statement 1 by b minus 1 by a positive, we found that it is false, because the value of 1 by b minus 1 by a is negative. So according to the question, in question of 14, a quadratic is given and we have determined the given quadratic equation is pure, simple, standard or none. So let's go to the solution of question number 14. Solution question number 14. We know that quadratic equation in x is represented in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Or we can say the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called quadratic equation in the general form. And according to the question, we have determined whether y square minus 4 is pure, standard. According to the question, we have determined whether the given quadratic equation y square minus 4 is equal to 0 is pure, simple, standard quadratic equation or none. According to the definition of quadratic equation, according to the definition of pure quadratic equation, a quadratic equation is said to be a pure quadratic equation if the value of b is equal to 0. That means if the coefficient of second term is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation is said to be pure quadratic equation. So when we compare the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, x square means the first term, c means constant term, third term, and the second term is not given to us. That means we can suppose as 0. So if the coefficient of the second term is equal to 0, that means if the value of b is 0, then the given quadratic equation is said to be pure quadratic equation. So according to the question, y square minus 4 is equal to 0 is a pure quadratic equation, which is the given option 14a, pure quadratic equation. Which is the given option 14a, pure quadratic equation. That means y square minus 4 is equal to 0 is the form of pure quadratic equation. So we have to circle 14a. Let's go to question number 15. Question number 15. What is the surface area of a cube whose volume is 64? What is the surface area of a cube whose volume is 64? We are given A, B, C, D, 4 options. Let's go to the solution. Volume of a cube, and we have to determine the surface area of a cube. So let's use the formula volume of a cube. We know volume of a cube is given by B is equal to AQ. The volume of a cube is given by the formula B is equal to AQ, where A is the side of a cube. B is equal to 64. Putting the value of b, that means volume of cube 64 is equal to aq. 64 we can write as 4 cube, so that we can cancel cube. 64 is the cube of 4. 4 into 4 into 4, that means 4 cube is equal to 64. So 4 cube we can write aq. Now 3 cancel, power. If the power are same, we can write base equal. Therefore a is equal to 4. That means the side of the given cube is equal to 4. Now we have determined the surface area. The surface area of a cube is given by the formula 6a square. Therefore a is equal to 6 into the value of a square. A means 4, so a square means 4 4 is 16. 16 into 6 we can write 96. We can write 96, which is the given option 6, which is the given option 15c. That means the surface area of a cube is equal to 96 square units. 15c, 96 square units is the right option. That means when the volume of a cube is 64, then the surface area of cube is 96. So we have to choose C, 15C, which is the right option. So we have to circle it. Let's go to question number 16. Question number 16. In the figure, what is the value of y is to x? In the figure, what is the value of y is to x? Is equal to 3 is to 2. Question number 16. In the figure, what is the value of x? If y is to x is equal to 3 is to 2. If y is to x, that means the ratio of y and x is given 3 is to 2. So if the ratio of y is to x is 3 is to 2, what is the value of x? We are given A, B, C, D 4 options. Let's go to find the solution. Solution, question number 16. The ratio of two angles, x and y, the ratio of y and x, that means y is to x is given 3 is to 2. And from the figure, we have to determine the value of x. The ratio of y is to x, the ratio of two angles y and x is given 3 is to 2. So first angle y we can suppose as 3k, and the second angle x we can suppose 2k. So if any two numbers are given in the ratio form, we can suppose numbers in the multiple of some other number. That means we have to suppose k. So y is equal to 3x and x is 2k. Y is equal to 3k and x is 2k. The two angles we can suppose y is equal to 3k and x is equal to 2k because their ratio is given 3 is to 2. Now from the figure, the sum of three angles x plus y plus 90, we can write equals to 180 degree because the sum of three angles of a straight line, the three angles lying on the same straight line is always equal to 180 degree. Therefore x plus y plus 90 is equal to 180. Now putting the value of x 2k, putting the value of y 3k, putting the value of x 2k and the value of y 3k, then 3k plus 2k 5k, shifting 90 degree to the right hand side, 80 minus 90 we get 90 degree. So 5k is equal to 90 degree, therefore k is equal to 90 divided by 5, which is equal to 18 degree. Therefore the value of x is equal to, therefore the value of x is equal to 2k, that means 2 into 18, 2 into 18 we get 36 degree. So we have determined the value of x, therefore the value of x is 36 degree, which is the given option 16c 36 degree, which is the given option 16c 36 degree. That means the value of x is equal to 36 degree, which is the right option. So we have to circle 16c. Let's go to question number 17. Question number 17. What is the measure of the angle formed by minute and hour hands of a clock at 150? What is the measure of the angle formed by minute and hour hands of a clock at 150? We are given A, B, C, D 4 options and we have to choose the right option. So let's go to the solution. Solution, question number 17. We have to find the angle made by minute and hour hand at 150. So we'll find the angle made by hour hand at 150. Then we'll determine the angle made by the minute hand in 10 minutes. Then we'll get the angle made by the minute hand and hour hand at 150. So first let's determine the angle made by hour hand at 150. We know that angle made by hour hand in one complete rotation, that means in 12 hours. The hour hand makes one complete rotation in 12 hours. So we can write 12 hours is equal to 360 degree. Angle made by hour hand in 12 hours is equal to 360 degree. That means it makes one complete rotation in 12 hours. So we can write the angle made by hour hand in 12 hours is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle made by the hour hand in 1 hour is equal to 360 divided by 12. That means 30 degree. Now we can find the angle made by the hour hand at 150. The angle made by hour hand at 150. So 1 hour, changing 50 minutes into hour. So we have divided by 60 to change minute into hour. So 1 plus 50 by 60, which is equal to 110 by 60. 60 plus 50, 110 by 60 hours. Now we know that angle made by hour hand in 1 hour is 30 degree. So angle made by the hour hand in 110 by 60 hours will be equal to 110 by 60 into 30 degree, because angle made by our hand in 1 hour is 30, so multiply by 30 degree, which is equal to 55 degree. 30 to the 60, 255. So angle made by our hand at 150 is equal to 55 degree. Now when it is 150, then the position of minute hand is at 10. So let's determine the angle made by the minute hand in 10 minutes. Angle made by the minute hands in 10 minutes. To find the angle made by minute hand in 10 minutes, we know that angle made by minute hand in 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, the minute hand makes one complete rotation. So 60 minutes is equal to 360 degree. We know that angle made by minute hands in 60 minutes is equal to 360 degree. So angle made by minute hand in 1 minute is equal to 360 divided by 60. That means 6 degree. In 1 minute, the minute hand makes an angle of 6 degree. Therefore, angle made by minute hand in 10 minutes is equal to 10 into angle made by minute hand in 1 minute. That means 10 into 60 degree. 10 is a 60 degree. So angle made by the minute hand in 10 minutes will be equal to 60 degree. Now if we take the sum of the angles, sum of the two angles, that means the angle made by our hand at 150 and the angle made by the minute hands in 10 minutes, then we get the angle between the two hands of a clock. That means we get the angle made by the hour hand and minute hand at 150. So let's take the sum of two angles. Angle made by hour hand at 150 and the angle made by the minute hand in 10 minutes. The sum of two angles will give the angle between the two hands of a clock. So let's take the sum of 55 degree and let's take the sum of 55 degree and 60 degree. That means 55 plus 60. We get 55 plus 60, we get 150 degree, which is the angle between minute hand and hour hand at 150. And according to the question, the right option is 17D. According to the question, the right option is 17D, 115 degree. Let's go to, so we have to choose the right option D and we have to circle it. Now question number 18. In the figure, what is the value of y minus x? We are given A, B, C, D, 4 options. In the given figure, what is the value of y minus x? So let's go to the solution of question number 18. Solution of question number 18. From the figure, we have to find the value of y minus x. That means we have to find the difference between two angles y and x. In the figure, the two angles x and y are given and one of the angle of triangle is given 45 degree. The two lines are given parallel. So let's suppose the angle, the alternate angle of x as a. Let's suppose the alternate angle of x as a. Then we can write y is equal to a plus 45 because y is the extra angle of triangle. Extra angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So we can write y is equal to a plus 45. We can write as y is equal to a plus 45. Now a means x because the alternate angle of x we have supposed a. So replacing a by x. Then we get y is equal to x plus 45. Shifting x to the left hand side. Then plus x will be minus x if we shift to the left hand side. Therefore y minus x is equal to 45 degree. That means the value of y minus x is 45 degree, which is the given option 18C 45 degree. Which is the given option 18C 45 degree. That means the value of y minus x is equal to 45 degree according to the given figure. So 18C is the right option. So we have to circle 18C. Let's go to question number 19. Question number 19. Which of the following are not the sides of a right triangle? Which of the following are not the sides of a right triangle? So we are given A, B, C, D, 4 options and we have to choose the right option. So let's go to the solution of question number 19. Question number 19. We are given 3, 4, 5. The first option, we are given 3, 4, 5 and we have to determine whether 3, 4, 5 they are the sides of a right angle triangle or not. So we have to take the help of Pythagoras Theorem, or we can say we have to take the help of the formula of Pythagoras Theorem. The longest side, according to the rule, in case of right angle triangle, the longest side is hypotenuse. So we can take 5, which is the greatest number. So the greatest number we can take as the hypotenuse, and the other two numbers we can take as perpendicular and base. Applying h square is equal to p square plus b square. So if we put value of h 5 and the value of p and b 3 and 4, then we get 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. That means we get 25 is equal to 25. So the first three numbers 3, 4, 5, they satisfy Pythagoras theorem. So 3, 4, 5 represent the sides of right angle triangle. Similarly, 1, 1, root 2, taking root 2 as the hypotenuse and other two sides as perpendicular base, and using the Pythagoras formula. So 1, 1, root 2, the three numbers, they also satisfy Pythagoras formula, because we get the value 2 is equal to, which is 2. See number 1, root 3, 2. Supposing root 3 as, supposing 2 as hypotenuse and p and b perpendiculars and base, then using the formula h square is equal to p square plus b square, then we get 4 is equal to 4, which is true. That means the three numbers 1, root 3, 2, they satisfy the right angle triangle. So they are the sides of right angle triangle. Number D, root 3, root 4, root 5. So root 5 we can choose as hypotenuse and other two sides as perpendicular base. Now if we use the formula of Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square, which is true for a right angle triangle, then we get 5 is equal to 7, which is false. That means number D doesn't satisfy the condition of right angle triangle. Number D doesn't satisfy Pythagoras formula. According to the question 19D, the numbers, the three sides of triangle of 19D are not the sides of a right angle triangle, because 19D doesn't satisfy the Pythagoras formula. So we have to circle 19D, which is the right option according to the question. Now let's go to question number 20. Question number 20, find the number of triangles in the given figure. Find the number of triangles in the given figure. We are given A, B, C, D, 4 options, and we have to choose the right option. So let's go to the solution of question number 20. Solution, question number 19. We have determined the number of triangles from the given figure. So let's write down all the triangles. So triangle ABD. So at first we'll find the triangles with the help of AD, BE and CF. So if we take AD, then the first triangle is ABD and ACD. Now if we take the help of BE, then we'll have triangle ABE and BCE. ABE and BC. Now if we take the help of CF, then CF divides the whole triangle into two triangles, which are ACF and BCF. ACF and BCF. Now we'll take the help of AO, BO and CO. Now if we take the help of AO, then we'll get two triangles. There are two triangles containing AO, containing the side AO, AOF, AOF and AOF and AOE, AOF and AOF and AOE, AOF and AOE. Now if we take the help of OF, then OF contains two triangles. So first we have to take the help of AO, then AO contains two triangles, then we take the help of OF, which contains other two triangles, and then we'll take the help of OD, which contains the other two triangles. So altogether, if we count all the triangles, then the total number of triangles are ABD, ABD, ACD, ABE, ABE, triangle BCE, ACF, ACF, BCF, triangle AOB, triangle AOB, taking the whole triangle AOB, triangle AOF, AOF, triangle BOF, triangle BOC, triangle BOD, triangle COD, triangle AOC, triangle AOE, triangle COE. That means, and the whole triangle ABC. That means total we get 7 triangles, which is the given option 20A, 16. The right option is 20A, 16. That means according to the figure, there are total 16 triangles. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Karna Maths Academy, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get daily new updates in time. Thank you. Thanks for watching.